Hello, I am Harmanjeet Singh, an MBA student at IIM Kashipur, with computer science engineering as my background. I secured 99.65 percentile in LRDI section of CAT 2023. It can be aced with consistent practice and right guidance. LRDI syllabus is not as vast as it may seem. It consists of basic mathematics which you might have studied till standard 10th. From my experience, I have divided the entire LRDI section into 10 different concept-based questions, and you need to practice at least 5 questions of each type, totaling it to 50 questions. Those 10 types are: first, line and grid; second, pie chart; third, quant-based DI; fourth, quant-based LR; line and bar graph; cubes; linear and circular arrangement; Venn diagram; games and tournament; and selection and distribution. This practice will get you familiar with mostly all types of questions that can be asked in CAT 2024 and will enhance your ability to think and solve these LRDS sets in quick and a systematic manner, resulting in fewer errors and also missing of those information. It will also help you improve your time management. The trick to solving the LRDS section is selection or rejection of the question which you believe you can solve. And remember that solving 3 sets out of those 4 can get you a very high percentile. Now the next part is how you will solve those LRDI questions the systematic way that I have been talking about. Initially, skim through the question in 2 minutes and you will definitely be able to figure out whether you can solve that question or not, and also the time required to solve that question. When you start solving, read through each and every line carefully because each line has a meaning and also a purpose. Start writing the information according to your needs and how you will understand those information. Remember, reading and remembering the information is key to solving an LRDS set in the proper way. Tips and tricks to solve mocks and previous year LRDS sets. If you have done the practice of 50 sets that I talked about, you will definitely find that 2 of the questions in the paper are easily doable. One of them might be medium to hard type question, which can also be solved if sufficient time is spent on that set. One question might be a trick question or very hard one, which is set up to eat up your time, and the probability of reaching the right solution is very less. So I recommend skipping that set. And also, while going through all the sets, please mark them in an order in which you believe you can solve them. And when you start solving, if you ever get stuck in any of the set, don't spend over 15 minutes to solve that question. Skip it and try the other 2. Now to sum it all up, start with those practice of 50 all important questions. Then practice previous year sets in a timed manner, and remember to give at least 20 full length mocks, as this will get you familiar with all types of questions and will also increase your stamina and improve your time management. To do all these practices, and I can definitely assure you that you will conquer the LRDI section. At last, all the very best for your CAT exam.